Okay, it's Friday, September 23rd, 8:14 p.m. on the East Coast. Let's see if I can crank out another video real quick for Million Token. And just a disclaimer real quick. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not to be used as financial advice. Please do your own research. Thank you. So the big news is Tech Lead had put the rewards in for the million pool. So if you haven't taken your million token out of the pool, you're earning rewards once again. I see some people have already put the deposits in the pool. We're back above 300,000, which is really good. I know we had over like 100,000 tokens were removed, or 10% of the supply. The APY right now is 20.91. I know a moment ago it was like 23.55. So as more whales or investors start depositing their tokens into the pool, that APY will come down a little bit. But usually it's around, I think once everybody's in, it's around like 15, 16%. So enjoy the APY as high as it is now. He put in just over 15,000 within an hour ago, and a rate of 1,166 per week being depleted. That's going to last almost 13 weeks. Let's just say 12 perhaps. So a big thank you for Tech Lead. I know that's keeping people from selling. We had one whale recently sold 14,000 tokens. They removed all of their from the pool and just dumped on the market, driving it down lower than $2 per token. And that's the big news today, is the pool has been updated and people are starting to deposit their tokens back again. And so right now, as I'm talking, the gas is really low. It's 6. So it probably costs you less than $1 to approve and stake your tokens. So you have to have no ETH with that. I think I saw on Telegram somebody was having problems staking. You shouldn't have any problems. Just use your MetaMask. You might have to refresh your web browser. You could try using another web browser, maybe reboot your computer. I had some issues similar to that. I just used a different computer, so I didn't want to restart mine. So that's that. The according to this, the pool rate right now is at 314,000 million tokens. This is on the top of the hodlers on the Etherscan page. And let's see now, what is this? This is, I believe, Tech Lead's depositing his tokens. He sent out 4,950 and then another 10,000, another 100 to the pool. So just over 15,000. The Gate.io balance that we've been following is only at 780. Well below the 3,000 that I was looking at. And the mystery wallet that I talked about last time, the FC12 wallet, we were like, oh, is this an investor, an exchange, or what's going on here? Savvy found this link here. It's a Twitter post. And this wallet is the same one here. And this was posted July 7th. Somebody was doing some research, unrelated to Million Token, and found that this wallet belonged to Gate. It was one of their wallets they were using to load up on Cult. So if that's true, then this wallet is also Gate, which would make sense because we have a, if you go to their first page, there's a transfer to Gate.io right here of 820. So that would make sense. So even though the one wallet has 780 million tokens, Gate has this other wallet of over 12,000, and it looks like they're just keep buying, right? If I go to the first page, they bought like 6 times the day it dropped to $2. So they got a really good buy. And also, if I click on one of these things when they bought, I'm losing my voice. They've got this MEV bot, so they've got a bot buying when it's really low. And I think this is also the same bot that's been pulling out of the previous Gate.io website and then dumping on Uniswap. So I think at some point, when Gate.io reverses engines and stops accumulating, they're going to start dumping. I'm not really sure what this means, but one thing I'm going to be on the out for is If you see like a pump on Gate IO and the rest of the market is not doing as well, like the dexes like Uniswap and Polygon, and it's just driving the price up, then I think they're wash trading, and I wouldn't FOMO in necessarily. We'll just see how far it goes. If it goes up really really high for a couple of days and goes up, I think they're going to just try to drive up the price on the market and then start dumping these coins. But we'll see. Maybe they're just loading up million token for liquidity, and then maybe they're going to take it seriously. But we've seen that bot dump already on us, right? We went from, well, we had like over 50,000 tokens from that previous wallet, and now it's down to like 780. So and a lot of it had to do with that bot that we saw. So we'll just wait and see. But I think exchanges are not known for holding, right? They should be making their money off of fees, but rather than trading. So we'll see what's going on with that. What else is new? The dollar is at 113. I just woke up from a nap, and so I'm just pulling all this stuff out. That's quite high. I was saying just a moment ago we're almost at 112, and then now we're at 113 less than 24 hours later. Wow. Now, I haven't even looked at the charts yet. Let me take a look real quick. I got Gate IO at a price of $2.74. Dex Tools is showing a price of 267. I know we had a big pump recently. Let me refresh this page. Okay, and the prices on Dex's Ethereum's 275. Polygon is 269. Really, those are the only two I would be looking at for prices. So I remember the price was around 249 for a long time, and there was a big pump I saw right here. Let me put this on like a 30-minute chart. Yeah, we had that big candle here. So we were kind of slowly trading up here, and we are up 8% from that, I'd say, average price. And of course, I think earlier today we had a big dump here. I haven't looked into that yet, but it got bought up real quickly, probably from that. It wasn't from the bot, but I just saw the Gate IO wallet. They didn't buy today, so these wicks are really hard to buy because they've got the bots out there. And I also noticed on Polygon. Here's a Polygon on the 4-hour chart. Went down to as low as 213. I think the nice thing about Polygon is you can set your limit orders. So if you're going to do that, don't put some giant, huge limit order because you have to have your whole limit order filled. But you could make a lot of smaller limit orders. This is something I've learned from the past. But I think the people that are dumping are probably were the ones that were pulling their tokens out of the staking pool and dumping on the Ethereum blockchain. So you may not get the dumps on Polygon necessarily like you would on the Ethereum blockchain. But the nice thing about Polygon is you got those basically free limit orders. The transaction fees on Polygon are very, very low, less than a penny. So just have some Matic in your wallet for that. But yeah, things are looking pretty good as far as million token recovering. And now that the pool has been replenished, the fears of whales dumping should have subsided, which is good. As far as Bitcoin, again, I haven't looked at the charts yet. We're still in this downward channel. We're at the upper end of it right now. I was thinking to myself that this weekend, I hope to see a dump. It looks like we're kind of set up for it. We're at the upper range here. The dollar's at 113, and I haven't even looked at the markets yet. But if we come down real quickly by Sunday or Monday to this lower channel, we're looking at the low 18,000 for Bitcoin, and we'll just see how million token holds up. I still have some cash on the side. I have been dollar cost averaging million token this week, and let's see what else we have. Bitcoin here. Again, we're still below this RSI. Nothing's flipped bullish for me yet for Bitcoin. And if we're going to be in a bear market, I would rather be buying million token, even though we could have these giant dumps of like 20 or 30% if a whale wants to dump, but they seem to be getting bought up quickly. This is the S&P 500 again. Wow, we went down 1.72% today. Wow, look at that. We touched the kiss of death. This is crucial. I don't think the crypto markets have factored this in yet. We break this kiss of death line, and it's over. I mean, it's over. Because I think everybody, all the market analysis will be like, okay, we're going to hunker down now for the bear market, and you're going to see a massive dump if we break this kiss of death. So, I'm just looking at these charts with you live here. And this is another look at the S&P 500 where we're in this down channel and we're getting kind of the bottom here. We could have a relief rally, next week. We'll just wait and see. And this is the futures. Again, getting close to that kiss of death. Another look at the Bitcoin versus gold. Nothing's changed there. And another look at Bitcoin real quick. The hash ribbons. Just looking at all over my charts. This is what I look at all the time. And I think that's about it, right? I think there's another poll going on. If you check your Telegram or Discord, where you could vote something about an NFT. I think the Discord and Telegram are going to team up and do a weekly raffle or giveaway for NFT. So check out those socials for the links for that. I don't have it pulled up now. It's not under the Million Governors. It's a different link, the poll version of it, where the community gets together and decides on what to do on stuff. On these are the smaller type discussions, I guess. I think that's about it. If you like this content and these updates, give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And of course, please share. Thanks.